Hello fairies, and we are back in Sapheniya Ascension in order to obtain the essence of nature. Let's see where we need to go. The essence of nature is on N. Here is the essence of nature. And now we will look at the transformation UVL.
Is Mishni Uviel, Sapheniya Andulra, Lemugriacht no Dortha, Torfi me Baha, agus Least on down, agus Curvy me Andura, Fui Vlaw Arish. Sapheniya Cloclu Driochta! As on Lua, Orim Arim, Ruach Spring, agus Sapheniya of Boss Yonan, More Kuach, More Dura, Niuval, Sapheniya Andura! Dura! Dura! Dura!
Well, I hope that I help you and you were able to obtain the essence of nature. See you in 5 tutorial.